What will a Japanese keratin hair straightening mask do to a type 4 kinky hair? Let's put that to test for the second time. This is the first time and my hair loved it so much. So why not do it the second time? Let's go. So our key ingredients for this hair mask is rice and cornstarch. My rice is already properly cooked. You want to make sure you wash your rice just once to get the dirt out and cook it till it gets really soft. I go ahead to blend my rice into this smooth paste. So I pour it in a pot and put it on low heat while I mix my cornstarch with water. So I then pour the cornstarch into the rice on low heat and mix them properly together for 1 minute. So I go ahead to filter that. You can see the residue. We don't want that in our hair. So now our mask is ready. See how creamy this looks. This looks like an actual conditioner. I was supposed to add some oils to it, but I totally forgot. But regardless, we move. The last time I made this bottle right here wasn't enough for my hair. Hence, you're seeing this plate and the other one. I'm going to freeze this big plate for my next use. So let's just get right into the application. I'll be starting on freshly co-washed hair. If you saw my last video, you know what I'm talking about. So my hair is freshly washed and I'll be applying this treatment as my deep conditioner hair mask. This simple yet powerful treatment I hear has been cherished for generations, delivering deep nourishment and incredible shine to the hair. Rice is rich in amino acids and vitamins, which strengthens and revitalizes the hair, promoting growth and reducing damage. While cornstarch, on the other hand, helps to smooth the hair, reducing frizz and adding a silky texture. So I make sure to apply the mask evenly on my hair, making sure every strand is coated as I detangle. It gives a slip that makes detangling really easy. You can see my coils is popping. Like this is the truth. This should be the protein or keratin hair treatment you should need. So while applying this mask, I love to use my fingers to detangle. You can use your comb or brush or whatever detangling tools you prefer, but over here we don't use all those tools while detangling. I love to use my fingers as they help me retain length. My hair doesn't like all of those detangling tools. The last time I did this, I was managing my hair marks, but as you can see, I am distributing this evenly. My hair is getting all of the nourishment it needs, like no management here. This Japanese hair mask is said to straighten the hair, but for kinky hair, I feel it strengthens it because of the key ingredients in it. Now just look at my coils. My hair is eating all of this and look at it just coming out so fine. And this second trial was better than the first time I tried this Japanese hair mask, and trust me, I am glued to these hair masks. Anytime I want some sort of protein treatment or keratin treatment, this will be my go-to. I don't care what anyone have to say about this, but my hair loves this hair mask and is eating it well. So like I said earlier on, this hair mask was said to straighten the hair, but just look how defined my kinky hair is. It's the best definition I've ever gotten. It's so amazing. If there is any DIY treatment I'm gonna hype, it's surely this one. This is just so amazing, and if you're a sucker for DIY treatment like me, then you should give this Japanese hair mask a big trial and you won't regret it. So all done, I'll go ahead to put my hair in a twist and cover my hair with a polythene bag. I think you're supposed to leave this for 20 to 30 minutes. So yeah, I'll just leave that on my hair while I go ahead to clean up my bathroom, because it's a big mess using this hair mask. So you want to try to do this in your bathroom and not maybe in a room, so it's easy to clean up. So it's past 30 minutes and I'm back, and guys, my hair feels super soft. Like, it's so soft, and you can see the coils are still defined. Like I said, I'll keep saying this mask is the truth. So I'll go ahead to rinse off this mask from my hair with lukewarm water. This Japanese rice and cornstarch hair mask is a natural, effective way to nourish and rejuvenate your hair. You can use this once a month, but for me, I love to play with my DIYs, so it's gonna take me a while. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this DIY. Thanks for watching. Bye.